Hey, welcome to X3, the show that has one topic and three pundits, myself included. I'm John C. Dvorak. I'm here with Andrew Eisner and Joe Engo to discuss the question, will Windows 8 be relevant on the desktop PC? According to one report, of course, everyone would say this, some say yes, some say no, which is stupid, because some say yes and some say no to everything. But there seems to be some indication that there is a irrelevancy to this product. As Mary Jo Foley reports, the report says, which is an IDC report, Windows 8 will be largely irrelevant to the users of traditional PCs.
Yeah.
And we expect effectively no upgrade activity from Windows 7.
Yeah. Well, just to be fair, I don't know if Mary Jo Foley said that, but I think she was
quoting the IDC
report.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and their point is that generally people aren't going to find any big benefit from Windows 7 to Windows 8. But the counter argument, the reason why it makes more sense that it is going to be relevant, is because most Windows operating systems are sold on new machines. So it's like some huge percentage, like 75%, 80%.
Yeah, new machines.
Yeah, so
you license,
yeah.
You're a vendor, you're Dell, you're
right.
one of these companies, and you get the license and you just install.
Right,
They're not
right.
going to, and then Microsoft doesn't like them doing anything but putting the newest stuff on.
Right.
Yeah, except for with Vista, when everyone
there was
still
a little
requesting
bit
XP,
of resistance.
I think there's just going to be another Vista, honestly. I mean, that whole interface just doesn't work on a
Metro?
desktop. It does not work on a desktop.
The
Metro
on a tablet,
the
on a tablet it makes
interface.
sense, but on a desktop it makes no sense.
That's the first thing I think of too.
The metrosexual interface.
Yeah.
It's kind of metro.
Yeah, kind of hip.
Kind of hip.
It's wireframe.
Kind of like masculine, kind of male. I don't know if, but the fact is that you're going to be able to download beta in February.
Yeah.
That's pretty soon.
Well, of Windows 8?
Yeah,
I'm downloading it right now.
Well, it's probably
what you
it's
say.
actually installing right now.
It's alpha, right? I mean, it's
Yeah,
like
but
well,
Yeah.
it says beta.
Well,
so,
okay.
whatever.
Well, it'll say beta.
Where'd you get it from? You sure it's not a
I
boot?
typed in Windows 8
BitTorrent.
beta, and it was right on Microsoft's site.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay.
Windows.
Well, anyway, the
So I'm
official
installing
beta.
it in a VM right now.
That maybe not be as slow.
Well, let
In
me
fact,
get a copy.
It says developer previews. So
Ooh.
I have a system that could use it. I'll download it myself.
You're going to sacrifice Linux for it? Take Linux off our machine?
Yeah.
Okay.
How how'd you know?
Because I know you like Linux. I know you're a big Linux user.
Linux
use
you can
VirtualBox.
install in 15 minutes. It installs right up, and then you can pop those apps in there.
I could dual boot it.
Yeah.
Nah, I think dual booting is cheating.
Cheating?
Why?
I just think it is. So you think it's going to be a dog on the market, and you think
I think it's going to be, this is another, good sign for Microsoft that they've got this operating system that's, going to
and you can always fall back to Windows 7 I/O. I mean, for the
Sure,
Well, yeah.
sure. Yeah, if you don't want the metrosexual one, if you just want the
I
plain
suspect
old.
that most people are going to try it out, and they're going to say this is terrible, it's an awful train wreck, and they're going to switch right back.
Yeah.
That's my prediction.
Then would there be any advantages to not just leaving Windows 7 on your machine? Because
No.
what would it do? Why would you put Windows 8 and then back it off to Windows 7 interface? Is it do anything different?
Well,
Is there
Windows
anything-
8, it's an 8 instead of a 7. I mean, that's a huge difference, dude.
Yeah, the difference of one number.
I think it's a little bit of a gamble, but look at the PC the UI for the PC is moving from scrolling with your mouse to swiping and pinching.
They're
and
grabbing with your
so,
hand and
Yeah, so I think
scrolling,
you'll
yeah.
see more touchscreen PCs, more touchscreen laptops, and it's kind of nice that it's be consistent from tablet to phone to
Well, the
PC.
problem with touchscreen is that it works great on a tablet when that's the only thing
Yeah,
that you're
because it's
working
in your
with.
lap. You
But when
got
you have a
screen up
laptop
on
or-
a desk and you start reaching over, poking it.
Yeah.
And plus
you got
with your hand up
mustard
there
on
like
your
this all
fingers,
day?
and a fly lands on it, starts.
Have you seen this? This is one of my gadget gifts, but I'll bring it out early. This is the Microsoft Touch mouse.
I actually like this mouse.
Have you
Oh,
played with
kind of
it?
like the Mighty
I've never
Mouse.
used it in the real world.
Yeah, yeah.
I played with it.
Yeah, it's nice. So I mean, you use it like a mouse. So you mouse around, and then you can use multi-touch. So you use 2 fingers up and down. You notice it doesn't have a
So it
scroll
does all
wheel.
this stuff.
Yeah, well, those are the sensors, I guess.
Oh,
Just
just
like-
sensors, so
yeah,
you can go like
yeah,
this and you
yeah.
spin. And
Well, you don't- no, you
pinch,
don't
You can
spin.
pinch, can you pinch? Can you go like this? Can you poke? Can you
Well, you
Yeah,
can do all
that's
that
right.
stuff on
You can go like
Apple's
that.
version that they released a year
Like
ago.
all of those
This
things.
is just
John.
another example of Microsoft copying Apple, plain and simple.
Can we get a shot of
What,
this?
the magic?
Yeah,
this
magic
is the
exact
pad
same
or
thing that
something,
the-
You can see
but
this,
it doesn't
it's
actually.
Magic
little
Mighty Mouse, whatever the hell it
sensors
is.
on
Yeah.
Thing. So I guess you can pinch the thing and.
Yeah, yeah. You actually use 2
scroll.
fingers, 3 fingers, go across, up and down, and
You can
Look
do all
at
kinds
that,
of
bang
things.
on it. It doesn't work. But
There's
anyway, so
only one
this
finger
will
you have
help.
to
You
give
know, I
it.
mean, this is whole ushering in the whole new,
It's got
you know,
a switch on the
user.
bottom. Look, blue light.
Well, you know,
You see that blue light? It lights up. Now watch the magic.
this is the one design
Wow.
shortcut that the one design shortcut I didn't like. Some other companies like Logitech and others, actually the mouse turns off when you push the. You see, this is the dongle. You know.
Why do you need a dongle?
Well, it's for wireless, the wireless
Bluetooth.
mouse. But I'm saying that
Bluetooth.
other mice turn off the mouse when you insert the dongle, which I think is much better, rather than having
Yeah,
to,
but
Logitech
rather
has
than
a
having
couple
to
of their
do the
mice.
switch.
What
yeah.
is the reason for a dongle? Why don't you just have built-in Bluetooth?
Exactly. That's what drives me nuts. I do
I
not
don't know.
understand that.
Maybe it's not responsive enough. I don't know. Maybe you know.
So this is like
Bluetooth
a little USB wireless?
Yeah, or something.
It's
You know,
the
little,
smallest little transceiver
Yeah,
I've seen
yeah.
for a while.
Yeah, it's cute. But that should turn off the
And
when
watch.
you really magic. Close up here. All right, send it over.
All right. So
So that's
So do
the
we
news on
think-
Microsoft Windows 8.
that's
Yeah,
it.
coming up
So we have a
February.
mixed bag of opinions.
Yeah, well, of
Well,
course, Mr.
course.
iOS here. He's not gonna like anything.
I have my doubts.
Yeah.
I like Windows 7, but I actually don't find Vista to be that
Yeah.
onerous. I think it's fine operating
Vista
system.
was terrible.
man, yeah.
Windows 7 was a huge improvement over,
Yeah,
over
that's
Vista.
and that's why. I
but
think
Windows
it was so
8 is a
popular.
step in the backwards
Yeah.
direction.
A step in the backwards direction, says
Exactly.
Joe Ingo, the hater. You've been watching X3.